In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get this really cool effect, which is basically the dolly zoom or the vertical video effect like you see in the movie Jaws, and even this video right here. Now, it's not going to be as close as to these two, but we'll try our best here, and it's going to be completely free in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so to get started, you want to have a video that you drag on from your project bin onto the timeline. These videos here are examples of things that I have used. However, I found that these two videos have been the best for creating the vertical dolly zoom effect. Okay, so we're going to use the fire pit or the fire video. I dragged it on. Let me just resize and rescale it. Okay, so the first step is, since this video is over 25 seconds, we're going to click R on our keyboard to adjust the speed. If you can't see this, right click and then just click speed and duration. Okay, so I'm going to make this around 350%. And as you can see, if we zoom in on the timeline, the clip is now 7 seconds. The next thing I'm going to do is also adjust the speed, but I'm going to make this reverse by clicking reverse speed. So now we're starting at the end, and then we're going to see the beginning. Okay, so the next step is to go under here, under your program, and it is to enable this, rulers, and then save margins. If you don't see these two things, then click this plus icon, the button editor, and you can see show guides and show rulers. Click on those two things and click OK, or drag them down below and then click OK. Alright, so now the next step is to go under motion and click position and scale. And we're going to move one frame to the right, or move the right arrow key maybe 2 times, and then click this, add or remove. It turns color blue. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to go to the left and we're going to click and go to the right. So I'm going to do this one more time, and I'm going to measure the left and the right of the fire pit, and I'm going to go up as well. Click, drag down, and then I'll do the same thing. Click and drag down. So we have the top and the bottom of the fire pit. So our goal is to have this zoomed in, or it stays consistently zoomed at the end of the video clip. Okay, so I'm going to grab our cursor on the timeline, go all the way at the end of the video, and then right before the video does end, I'm also going to click a keyframe, and then we'll click the motion again just to make sure it's selected. And now we're going to zoom in, and we're going to do the same exact thing as far as measuring the fire pit from the bottom to the top. This is a little bit hard, but as you can see, I'm getting a little bit close because the flames are coming out. Okay, so let's see how this looks like so far. The video was lagging, so I had to quickly render it, but basically this is the before. And this is the after. Thanks for watching this free Adobe Premiere Pro video editing tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found some value. If you did, drop this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel for more free Adobe Premiere Pro editing video tutorials.